So I'm whispering because my husband, Bradley, is taking a nap and I'm sneaking off to Target. Don't look behind me. Our room's a mess and it's just not the cutest, but I'm actually gonna go get some like room decor for a little bedroom refresh. Spring's coming up and I am like in the spirit for spring. So yeah, okay, let's go to Target. I was thinking this would be really cute for all skincare to like display it instead of having it in a bag. Never mind, I just found these and these are so cute. They're little shelves and I could put like skincare in them. I'm gonna get like 2 of these. Super cute. Is that what it is? I'm kidding. Target has these fluffy pillows on crates for $10 and the little rug that matches for $7.50. This whole section is so cute. Oh my gosh, this pillow specifically.
You better go over there and find your blanket first.
So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Let's go find a quilt. Out of all of these, comment below which one I should get. I'm gonna get the blue. But comment what you think I should have gotten if it's not the blue. I really like this one too. Or this one.
You need to add some color.
I'm gonna get blue. Blue! Or the floral. The blue. I'm gonna change it up. I'm really changing it up. It's pretty too. Ooh, this is really pretty.
Lofty quilt. Good.
That's really pretty too. This is pretty too. I don't have it in my size. The blue. Just take it slow. I want to find better again. For now I will feel the ocean through. And I pray that it won't be over soon. So that's pretty big.
Targeting business.
We're home. We have a lot to work with. And it's a mess. My room's an absolute mess. But I think before we get started, we should make a little cold brew. Okay, before we start the madness of my room, which is a total disaster, so don't pay attention to what's behind me. We're fixing that in this video. But I wanted to talk to you guys about Casetify's Crush cases, which these are my favorite cases yet. They are so cool. Let's get talking about them. This is the one I currently have on my phone. It has my name customized on it, like so. And then this is what it looks like. This is their Ultra Impact phone case. But I also have their regular Impact phone case in the Crush. And I actually got my mom too, so yeah. So this is the Impact and this is the Ultra Impact. They're both customized with my name. This one's just black and this one's just clear. And what is so amazing about these phone cases is they are made up of 65% recycled materials, like it says right here, if I can get it to focus. Ooh, we got it. Okay, like it says there, made up of recycled phone cases, which is so cool, and I gotta tell you all about it. So like I said, they're made up of 65% recycled materials and they are plant-based. Their Recasetify technology upcycles old end-of-life phone cases and other manufacturing materials and plastics into beautiful new phone cases like these. They have reduced carbon footprint with these phone cases. Because they are made of crushed plastic, old phone cases, they have reduced carbon footprint by 20%. The speckle you see on the edges of this phone case, let me see if I could focus it. All of these speckles are actually the crushed up Recaseify technology, which is really cool. So it's the crushed up phone cases in here. So all that speckledness is that. This phone case is drop tested approved from 9.8 feet. Literally, like, I could be, I don't even know where I would ever be 9.8 feet up in the air, but it can totally be dropped. And they are compatible with wireless charging, which we have one right here. And it works great. These phone cases are great. They recycle, reuse, and reduce. All of the sayings, I think I said that right, I don't even know. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. That's it. That's it. I had it backwards. These cases are great. They're so cute. The infamous drop tested approved from Caseify. And they're just good for the planet, which we love. And if you guys are looking to get a new phone case like the Crush case and you have old Caseify phone cases, you can actually put them into the Recaseify program to get them crushed up and made into a new phone case. So then you can get a Caseify Crush case and protect your phone and the planet. And you guys can get 15% off if you go to caseify.com/Messler. Again, that's caseify.com/Messler to get 15% off of Caseify's new Recaseify collection today. Definitely check it out. I have the link in the description below. And now let's fix this room up because it is rough. And I'm in the spring vibes. If you couldn't tell by my outfit from today, I was really feeling spring. I think spring's about a month away still, but we're done with winter. She's out of there. Bye! Let's decorate my room. I'm so excited. I'm gonna cut the camera now because if you know, you know. When I moved into my apartment a year ago and I filmed that, I have a period stain on my mattress and you don't want to see that. So we're just gonna cut the clips, which also I feel like now this is reminding me to just give you guys an update because I haven't in a while. If you're new here or you haven't watched some of my videos, I just recently got married and my husband and I were living in an apartment, but my dad had to get emergency surgery back in September, and so they asked us to move back in with them. That's why I'm here. This is my parents' house, and so I moved back in with them. We both did, and to just help around the house. Bradley had to help because my dad can't lift things. He can't do a lot actually. So we helped out for the first 6 to 8 weeks of the healing, which still after that, and then we got married, and then my dad was supposed to have his surgery, the kind of surgery he actually had an ostomy bag, so then he got it reversed. He was supposed to have it in January, like 2 weeks after our wedding or the week after our wedding, but it kept getting canceled. It got pushed another week, and he finally just had it a week ago today. So now we are going to be here for at least another 6 to 8 weeks, but we are house hunting and getting into the process of that. So I thought I'd just give you guys a little update on that. But now we're gonna cut the cameras because y'all do not want to see all this. No, you don't. Okay. There's your little life update for y'all. The lighting. That's why I have a ring light on because it's dark outside, but can y'all see that? I'm gonna wash them. Okay, me and Bradley just dusted our fan and everything, and now I'm going to vacuum while I'm kind of in the process of like taking everything out of here so that I can vacuum the floors and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna vacuum. Okay, just finished vacuuming, and all I gotta say is I cannot wait until we get our house and we can use our Dyson cordless vacuum because the cord is a pain in the butt. Okay, so we're saving that for when we have a house, so I'm not taking it out of the box yet. Okay, vacuumed all up. My sheets are still in the wash, so I'm waiting on that obviously, but yeah, I'm gonna light this candle because I just don't like the way it smells after vacuuming. Get a light? What the heck? It's like out of fluid. Okay, let me get a different lighter. This is the strawberry pound cake candle from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. I don't know what I clicked, but I think I turned off the autofocus and I need to fix it. I just don't know. What do you guys think of this? I'll kind of move it around some. What do you guys think of this? I think it's just, I don't know, it looks awkward. I feel like I like it kind of here, a little bit like overlapping, but I really can't tell until we have all the bedding on. I don't know. I just bought it because I was like $7. I have to get it. But I actually don't know what I was going to do with it, so maybe this, maybe. I don't know.
'Cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left, I guess.
You guys, I just looked at all of our wedding pictures. We just got them back. They're perfect. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I will be posting all of them, so go follow me there to see them all. I'm so excited to show everyone. They're gorgeous, so yeah. So good. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, so I just showered. It's definitely getting late, and I'm like nowhere close to done, but the sheets are all dry now. They took a while, but
I pray that it won't be over soon.
yeah. I'm gonna chill. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning to finish the room up, and yeah. Okay. Bye. I don't know if I like this pillow. I feel like this one's not vibing to the rest of this one. Does that look better maybe? Kind of not. These are like kind of big. I'll mess around with it. I don't know.
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
It is coming together. I think it looks so cute. There's so much still to do, but how cute. Like, just delete that and look how cute that is. So cute. Loving the bed, the mirror, and the light is back up. Do you guys miss it? Okay, we just moved this makeup desk from the other room, and I'm gonna move this one into the other room, but I feel like this one just goes so much better with the vibe of this room versus the black. So this is where I'm gonna have it. Obviously I'll move this, but I'm gonna clean it because it's super dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it now. This is what we've done, and we hung the shelves. I think you guys saw that. Yeah, okay, let me clean this. My sweet husband went and got a Starbucks, which I needed, and I got a venti. So good, oh my gosh. Also, I like can't get this off, but I'll keep trying. And then this is literally a burn I did. I left like my curling iron or my straightener on it, and I burned it, but it's okay. There's no fire, so we're good. Okay, I need to move literally this out of the room. And obviously these shoes cannot be here or else I won't be able to sit. But yeah, and Oakley, I need to wash his bedding, but he's literally trying to, yeah, so I need to wash that. Guys, I love this situation. So cute. Hi. You're so sweet. Okay, time to tackle this corner. This is where Oakley's cage is gonna go. It was here, and then I still have to move these, but I'm gonna do this whole side of the bed. So let's do it. I kind of want to go to Marshall's or something and see if I can find like a really itty bitty like side table, because I need something to put my phone on at night. But let's tackle this.
Alright, the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together.
Okay, so I finished the room, and here is a little tour. So both of these rugs are from Target, and then I'm just going to show you guys the new things. The bedding, Target. This is from like Marshall's from a while ago. Target, no. I think this is Target. Or Marshall's. No, it might be Marshall's. Target. And then those are Target shams as well. This is from Marshall's. The LED lights from Amazon. And then dog cage, that's from Marshall's. And then shoe rack is Target. Vanity is Wayfair. 2 shelves are Target. And yeah, it's very simple. I don't even know the style you would call this room, but I love it. Oh, and this mirror. Hi. It's forever ago from TJ or Home Goods. I love it. And then I got this basket yesterday from Target, and I just put our blankets in it, which are from Sam's Club actually. So that is the final room. I think it's so refreshing and pretty and light and cozy, but like not cluttered. So yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog that turned into me redoing my room pretty much. Yeah, subscribe if you're new here, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!